How are you managing your remote teams and ensuring that they're at the maximum level of productivity? Hi, I'm Peter Nichol, Data Science CIO, and today I'm going to provide some insights on that topic. Last week, we talked about the Ivy Lee method, a method to ensure productivity on a team, focus on individuals. The way that method worked is we focused on 6 key activities, similar to a to-do list, but limited to 6, that have to be completed during that day to maximize productivity. If they are, great. The next day you come up with another 6. If they aren't, they roll to the next day in order of priority, and they're burned down in the order of priority also. I want to share some insights onto a leadership technique that I've been using for quite a few years. It's been very impactful for me and is a great tool to leverage in our remote environment today. It's called the top 5. The way it works is it's built off the Ivy Lee method, but instead of 6 items, it's focused on 5 items and broken down a little bit differently. So some teams that I've led in the past will be very interested to realize where this technique originated from. But moving on. So the way the technique works is there's 5 major buckets: issues, business partner concerns, items accomplished during the period, accomplishments for next period, and project or product issue, a product or project statuses, for lack of a better term. Now, let me go through each of these really quickly. The issues are not issues you're going to find in a risk register or a tracker. These are items that are quiet and unheard of. They're team dysfunctions. They're disagreements between individuals. They're things that are never going to make it into an official risk log. That's what you as a leader and a supervisor need to understand. What are the things that are truly creating obstacles for your team to be maximally productive? Second is business partners. If I get a call from a business partner or a customer, if I'm supporting vendors, what am I going to hear from that business partner? Am I going to hear something positive, something negative? Regardless, I want to know what that conversation is going to transpire like, and I want some talking points. Third is, what did the team complete last period? I don't really care what that individual did. I care about the team results and them driving team results. And then fourth is about what was completed, what will be completed in the future period. What do you anticipate? Think forward, very similar to Ivy Lee's method of the 6 priorities. And last, what is the product or project status? And in another video, I'll go into that possibly in more depth because it's a little bit more complicated. But essentially, you have these 5 buckets: issues, business partners, things accomplished last period, things you'll accomplish in the future period, and product or project status. What this does is it allows the team to focus on the burning imperatives. It removes you from being a micromanager. Teams hate being micromanaged, and managers and supervisors and executives, we hate micromanaging. Sometimes that's a necessity. But what it allows you to do is take a bird's eye view of how your team's performing and where individuals need support and how you can remove obstacles. What you'll find is you'll see commonality between these different top 5s with your leadership team. There'll be overlaps, there'll be similarities. And now you as a leader don't have to guess where to get involved. You can know specifically how you can remove roadblocks and keep your team performing at your best. So think for a minute as you jump into this week. Do you have a clear understanding of what the roadblocks your team's experiencing? You might not. You might want to consider implementing a top 5. Hi, I'm Peter Nichol, Data Science CIO. If you like this video, please like or comment below and have a great week. Thanks.